In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no streams available on Stremio PC. If Stremio is opening normally but you are not seeing any playable sources for a movie or TV show, this process can often solve the problem quickly. I'll walk you through it in a simple way so you can follow along on your computer without confusion. First, open Stremio on your PC. Make sure the app launches fully and that you are already signed in to your account. Once it opens, do not rush into selecting a title right away. Give the app a moment to finish loading completely. This is important because Stremio may still be syncing data or loading add-ons in the background. While you wait, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your connection is weak or temporarily interrupted, streams may fail to appear even if everything else is set up correctly. Also, if Stremio is processing any background updates, allow those to finish before moving forward. Interrupting the app too early can sometimes cause add-ons or stream results to load improperly. Next, go to the Add-ons section. You can do this by clicking the Add-ons tab or the puzzle icon in the left sidebar. Once you are there, take a look at the available add-on categories. If needed, switch between the official and community sections. Some add-ons are listed in different places, so it helps to check both if you do not immediately find what you need. Now use the search bar and type in WatchHub. When the WatchHub add-on appears, click Install if it has not already been added to your account. If it is already installed, that is fine. Just make sure it is enabled and actively turned on. This step matters because if the add-on is disabled, Stremio may not be able to show stream options as expected. After that, go back to the movie or show that was giving you the no streams available message. Reopen the title rather than just waiting on the same page. Refreshing it this way helps Stremio request the stream sources again using the active add-on setup. Then wait a few seconds and allow the available streams to load. In some cases, they do not appear instantly, so giving the app a short moment can make all the difference. If you want to confirm the fix, open a different movie or show as an optional check. If streams appear there too, that is a good sign that everything is working properly again. That's how to fix no streams available on Stremio PC. Thanks for watching.